Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve bug on Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve bug on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Picsart, and you can click here. Then you'll enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app in this blue sign as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.